Every mom understands the struggle after pregnancy. Despite all the hard work with diet and exercise, some changes to the body can be stubborn. Pregnancy often leaves behind resistant fat pockets that don't budge with traditional methods. Vaser Lipo offers a solution by using gentle ultrasound energy to carefully liquefy stubborn fat, allowing for precise contouring of areas like the abdomen, flanks, and lower back while preserving surrounding tissue. However, it's important to note that it addresses fat, not loose skin or separated abdominal muscles called diastasis recti. For moms who feel like they've tried everything, Vaser Lipo can target the specific pockets of fat that diet and exercise haven't touched. It's about refining, not replacing, the healthy habits you've already built. Vaser Lipo is performed as a day surgery procedure with a shorter recovery than traditional liposuction for many patients. Your care team will walk you through exactly what to expect before, during, and after. If you're dealing with frustrating areas post-pregnancy, schedule a consultation to explore what's best for you.